Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be giving you a quick tip on how to restore your original emblems. Now this doesn't just apply to Volkswagens, but this is my original hood emblem for my Bug. Now this is the back side, obviously it's got the pins. Now if we flip around to the front, you'll see there's this groove here. And originally this would have had black paint in it. Now it's debated sometimes, but mine looks like it has the remnants of black, and it's generally the consensus that they were black inside the rim. So now, there's a lot of ways you could fix the lack of black here. Mine obviously is gone. I would assume these were originally lacquer, and there's obviously no way you can surface prep this, so it kind of just disappears. Now, you could get a Sharpie or something and go along in the edges, or a brush, but today I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to do it. So I've obviously masked off the center. That's because I'm lazy and I don't want to be digging paint out of in here. Because what we're doing, and put it down here, we've got some semi-flat black paint here. This is just one I had. Now semi-flat is basically the same as semi-gloss. It's what I'm getting. I've used this on wheels and it's pretty good. So all we're going to do is shake it up, and we're going to put a few coats on here. Or one nice coat, depending on how I feel. Alright, we're ready to spray. So, what we're going to do. And you might be saying, wow, why would you do that? Because we're going to let it set up a bit. And then we're going to take a little lacquer thinner. We're going to wipe it off because this is a rattle bomb, and obviously it's going to wipe off really easily. Any paint that's somewhat fresh does not enjoy being hit with lacquer thinner, or any other solvent for that matter. And it'll take it right off. Alright, so now we're at the point where I think it's tacked up enough. It's not dry, but it's not coming off like soaking wet either. Now, if you'll notice in a second, I have a glove on my right hand. I normally don't wear gloves. I wouldn't be wearing a glove right now if I didn't have a cut. So now we're just gonna like this. And like I said, this works on any emblem like this that has a colored insert, because, you know, it's pretty straightforward. I've seen this, the reason I know how to do this is I've seen on graveyard cars, on, it was probably still Velocity when I saw it. They were doing it to something for a Challenger, I think, or Barracuda. Alright, I'll just get this edge real gentle like. And there you go. You've got the center of your Volkswagen emblem painted black. And that was pretty easy. This probably took less than 5 minutes to do. It looks new. The only thing that's wrong with this emblem is the aluminum is slightly pitted, which is fine with me since this is the original emblem from 1967. And, you know, some things I just want to keep original, and this is one of them. I know eventually it'll probably get replaced, but for now this is good enough for me. You know, polish it up a bit. So I hope this was helpful. I hope you're able to use this on your restoration, because this is a pretty simple thing that you might not think of. You might be sitting here with a brush trying to go around when you can just spritz it with paint and wipe off the excess. So, like I said, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, make sure to leave a like, and if this helped you out, or if you just want to, leave a comment, because I love to read them and I love to see them. If you're new around here, make sure to hit the subscribe button. I do a lot of Volkswagen stuff. This Volkswagen Bug is getting done. I got a 74 Westie coming up, and a couple Mopars, or a Mopar that I'm going to be working on after that. And I've got a video on that too. So, make sure to hit the like button if you did enjoy it, and I'll see you in the next video, guys.